Hi guys, today I want to introduce you to the THK sample pack number 3. THK is for Thomas Hoffknecht, that's me. And yeah, let's check what's inside and what we can do out of it. So we got background loops. One, two, okay, 13 background loops. I'm just gonna pull like one, two, three background loops inside just to see what's possible. Da, da, da. So let's put them all. Bass loops, baseline loops. We got also 13 baseline loops. I'm also pulling inside just for later, just to see what's going happen, what we can do out of it. FX loops 10. Let's check. It's like percussion top loops, but with effects on it. Simple. Mute them all, please, first. Then we got the hi-hat loops. How many we got here? 30. Okay. Yeah, that's basics. It's basics, but the most important things in the track are the basics, like the kick, bass line, and the hi-hat. There you go, you see, mistakes happen sometimes. I forgot to mute the kick inside, but okay, shit happens. Kick loops, one, like also 16 kick loops inside. Kicks which I'm using also for my tracks. Yes. Percussion loops, 17, it's okay. Now we got synth. We got here, we got 40 cents line, like, it's okay. This is 45 because we can also like group it, but let's check. So you see, you got like one cent line, and the second one also just in a different but same group. It's fitting in the same group, so that's why you got them together here. So also you got top loops, 31 top loops inside. Okay, let's check. So, okay, we got the bass loops here, got the kicks here. I put the kicks first to the top. They are always on the top in my arrangements. Let's give them a color. I give them this time, okay, this color here, bass gets this one, the hi-hats, green, percussions, also like this time, tops, the dark green, synth, okay. So, it fits together. So when I mute this kick and put this kick inside and just mute this one and just take this one here, it's like yeah, that's it. It's like you can do a lot of things out of it if you. I mean, I'm using these loops by myself. My DJ sets, like my hybrid sets, using like the loops, the kicks, bass lines, okay. But like the tops and the percussion loops, I'm using them a lot in my hybrid sets and also for my productions. I got a whole folder where I'm recording my own loops, but I got so many tops and so many hi-hat loops. Uh, you can use them. I mean, you can prepare them in Logic and send your DAW inside and use them as however you like them. Cut them, like put a delay on it, put an echo on it, play with the equalizer. You can do a lot of it. So go and check it out. I mean, it's not a big sample pack, but it's for me a high quality sample pack because these loops are my favorite loops, which I recorded by myself and also using by myself. So